All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, from coins on cryptocurrency, to GPU mining cryptocurrency, the DogeCoin, Litecoin. We were doing some NFT information, talking about AMC, all kinds of good information here on Frank's Crypto Corner. If you can do us a favor and go ahead and hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. And today we're going to be talking about AMP. AMP, the coin. What's going on with AMP? It's basically going to change the way cryptocurrency is used on an everyday basis. It's going to be like the in between, the glue, the peanut butter and jelly, the in between that makes everything run. So when somebody's at a brick and mortar and they want to pay with their cryptocurrency, right now it's kind of hard because the transactions could take 3 seconds, 10 seconds, a minute, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 12 hours. So sometimes on the cryptocurrency transaction, how long it takes, there's no rhyme and reason on some of the things. So that's not actually something that's good for the actual merchant that's going to want their money when you're actually swiping and you're paying for your goods and services with cryptocurrency. What AMP's going to do is AMP's the in-between that actually makes it all happen. So with that, let's go ahead and jump over to AMP and we'll dig in. All right, so let's kind of give you an idea of what AMP is, how it works. Right here it says AMP Crypto Introduction. AMP Crypto is nothing but a digital asset coin that is used to protect the instant collateral payments on the Flexa network. It claims to provide instant and variable assurance for the value transfer. AMP Crypto goal is to lower the cost of the inter-party payment transaction interchange by reducing the risk of fraud. AMP Crypto can be used by the users to safeguard any type of financial transaction, which includes digital payments, currency exchange, and loan payments. The AMP Crypto is built on the Ethereum blockchain, and it follows the ERC20 token standard. AMP can be purchased and traded in exchanges for fiat money or digital currency. AMP can be also kept in a cryptocurrency wallet and custodials such as Gemini. I mean, there's a lot of things. Myron Jobson, a personal finance basically investor, said that AMP covers the value of each transaction while it's pending confirmation, a process that can take seconds or days. There's that part about how long the transactions can take. I mean, it could take a long time. This means that if the payment takes too long or fails, the AMP collateral can be used to cover the cost, ensuring that the vendor is reimbursed. So the history and founder of AMP Crypto, the AMP token was introduced September of 2020. AMP is on the Ethereum-based coin and it complies with the ERC20 standards and was used to provide AMP smart contracts as an open source standards. The official website of AMP claims that AMP is a flexible network unique collateral coin which is based in New York City blockchain payment setup. Tyler Spalding and Zachary Kingor are the co-founders of the Flexa network and the AMP Crypto. So going down here a little bit, Flexa network. Flexa network is a merchant payment network that its goal is ensuring that digital assets are widely accepted. Payments for goods and services are authorized quickly, whether the store is online with no fraud and lower net cost of interchange. The network, which enables compliance settlements across numerous nations, is made up of various exchanges and financial institutions. Flexa integrates with existing point-of-sale POS systems and online platforms to make payments easy during the checkout process. Let's head over and check out some AMP. So right here, looking at AMP, it's trading for about 5 cents right now. We know that basically in June, it was actually around 12 or 13 cents. Let's take a look here. Click the 3 months. So right here, it was actually at 12 cents at its high, 11, 12 cents. Right now, it's actually trading at about 5 cents. And it says the Flexa network enables cryptocurrencies collateral payments at a brick and mortar vendors. The network allows supporting cryptocurrency like BT and ETH. Over here at AMP's website, let's take money into the 21st century. Again, right here, it's kind of going around the horn, going over the different cryptocurrencies. Right here in the middle, you see it says XTZ, and then it changes to the next coin. But it says, let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like Link, with Ansets variable assurance for any real-world application. So scrolling down here, talks about staking the coin, sending and repeat. We talked yesterday about AMP is an extensive platform for collateralizing asset transfer. By staking AMP, any form of value exchange can be guaranteed. Digital payments, fiat currency, exchange, loan distributions, property sales, and more. They're actually saying that this could be like a modern day Venmo that literally you're using all the time. So this is definitely going to be something that happens all the time, because cryptocurrency, as we talk about, is not going to be going away anytime soon. So we're going to find more and more different platforms and things that are going to make it easier to use your cryptocurrency. And who wants to get amped up when you're talking about AMP? It also talks about sending. Once it's staked, the AMP is ready to be collateralized, transferred with the use of collateral pools. AMP is effectively decentralized the risk of the asset transfer, especially the suitability of the fraud-proof network in real applications. It says, why AMP? AMP helps you decentralize the risk for users with smart contract features. Purposes built for collateral. Nothing more, nothing less. AMP as a collateral as a service. AMP collateralizes, is tested, audited, and freely available for anyone to use. It's easy to build an app that locks up and unlocks AMP on demand to secure transfers. It enables lending and makes value more and more quickly. So there's a lot of benefits here. If you go to the website, meet our friends. So here's all the people that they have partnered up with. Meet our friends and collaborators, people they're working with, from staking payments on Flexa to providing stable through liquidity. The AMP ecosystem offers many ways to use and earn AMPs today. So, taking a look, crypto.com's on here, Sushi, Gemini, Coinbase, Flexa. I mean, there's just name after name. Moonswap, Chainlink, CoinGecko. I mean, yields on here, Rainbow. So again, when you're investing into a coin or you're looking to partner up with a coin with your own money, remember, all the information here is for educational purposes only here at Frank's Crypto Corner. So, but when you are looking at different things, look at all the people that they're actually partnering up with and the different companies. That's pretty strong to be partnered up with all those companies. Again, we're on the actual AMP website. We can go ahead and basically talk about the introduction. Welcome to AMP. It is decentralized collateral token built on the Ethereum that enables instant transactions with digital assets. I mean, so again, there's going to be people that are going to stake the coin and they're going to make money for staking it, and they're going to take that coin that they're staking and they're going to use it as collateral. Pretty interesting stuff. Let's head over to the top 10. All right, over here at the top 10, basically we're going to go, Bitcoin is at number 1 at 49,383. It's actually up about 5% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is at a super high number here, 37.99. It's up 17% in the last 7 days. It's actually up about 11% in the last 24 hours. Cardano is a solid 3 at $2.90 a coin. It's actually up about 6% in the last 7 days, up 5% in the last 24 hours. Binance Coin, basically trading at about $503. It's actually up 9% in the last 24 hours. Tether's at number 5. XRP is up at 6% in the last 7 days and 24 hours. The DogeCoin is at 5% increase in the last 7 days. Solana broke into the top 10 in the last couple weeks. It's at number 8. SOL. This is the biggest one we've been talking about. Take a look, everybody. It's trading at $112. It's up 53% in the last 7 days. 53%. It doesn't seem to be slowing down. You may want to take a look at Solana. SOL, 53% up in the last 7 days. Polkadot is right there at number 9, and USD Coin rounds out the top 10. Couple mentioned, Uniswap's at number 11. Binance Coin is at number 14. There's Litecoin at number 16, Binance USD. Up here at the top, the global crypto market is at 2.22 trillion. Huge increase, 7.08% in the last 24 hours. So they're talking about AMP, that it's going to be a coin that is going to change the way cryptocurrency is actually used today. The brick and mortar, the mom and pops, the merchants that are accepting the visas and the credit cards and the swiping and tapping the phone and all those different things, well, it's going to start happening with cryptocurrency. But the thing is cryptocurrency, sometimes those transactions can take 10 seconds. It could take 30 seconds. It could take 2 minutes. It could take 10 minutes. It can take days sometimes. So that's where the cryptocurrency, there's a challenge there. Well, what AMP comes in and it basically, it's kind of like the glue in between. Everybody wants to get amped up with the AMP, let me tell you, because now when they swipe it, the AMP is used as collateral for that transaction and it pays the merchant, so the merchant for sure gets paid that money. So definitely we're going to be having videos on AMP. Don't forget to get amped up when you're thinking about AMP. Hit your like button over here. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and you want to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Don't forget to hit right here for our most recent videos. We're going to bring you all kinds of news and information for days and weeks and months and years to come to keep you updated. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, you have a great day.